Good day, students. This is science class for grade 7, chapter 1, Nutrition in Plants. In the last video session, under heterotrophic mode of nutrition, we learned in detail the parasitic mode of nutrition. In today's video session, let us learn still more modes of nutrition under heterotrophic nutrition in plants. They are the saprophytic mode of nutrition and the insectivorous nutrition, and the last one is the symbiotic mode of nutrition. So first let us learn in detail the saprophytic mode of nutrition. Now what is the saprophytic mode of nutrition? So here the plants obtain their food from the dead and decaying matter. So these plants are called saprophytes, which feed on dead and decaying matter. So examples: mushrooms, then you have molds, yeast. All these are the examples of saprophytes, and also some bacteria. Here this mold, it is a fungus which grows on bread. You might have seen that. Okay, so that is a bread mold. And these saprophytes, what they do is they release some digestive juices. Okay, they release some digestive juices. Where they will release outside their bodies on the organic matter. Okay, and then these digestive juices, they act on that dead matter and then convert it into liquid form. And then these saprophytes absorb this liquid and get nutrients from it. Okay, so this mode of nutrition is called as the saprophytic mode of nutrition. Is it clear, students? Yes. And also, you might have heard about the fungal spores. Okay, these fungal spores, they always float freely in the air. And when they find a wet climate, or wet place, what they do is they land there and start to grow there. You might have noticed what happens to the leather shoes or bags if left unused for a long time. You find white patches on them. Okay, so that white patch is nothing but it is a fungus. Okay, so these fungi, they grow on clothes. Also they grow on pickles. Okay, then bread, jams. Okay, and also some like furnitures during the wet climate. Is this clear, students? Okay, now let us move on to the next mode of nutrition, that is the insectivorous mode of nutrition. Okay, insectivorous nutrition. There are some plants which feed on insects. Okay, they eat insects. Okay, and they digest them. So such plants are called insectivorous plants. They are called as insectivorous plants, or also we call them as insect eating plants. Insect eating plants. So these plants, they are green in color. They can prepare their own food, but they depend on the insects for the nutritious food. They depend mainly on insects. So they are called as insect eating plants or the insectivorous plants. Now examples of insectivorous plants are one is the pitcher plant. Okay, so it takes the shape of the pitcher, so it is called as the pitcher plant. And also uh, Venus fly trap. Okay, so I will show you the pictures of these insectivorous plants. Venus flytrap, then you have sundew, and then bladder wort. Okay, so these are the examples of the insectivorous plants. So here in picture plant, what happens is the leaves of the picture plant are modified in the page in the shape of the picture, with the top of the leaf forms the lid to prevent rainwater from entering into the pitcher. What happens when an insect sits on the mouth of the pitcher plant? The hairs in the pitcher, they direct the insect down into the pitcher, where the enzymes present in the digestive juices will digest the insect. Okay, so this is how the pitcher traps the insects and then it will digest them. So these insectivorous plants, they obtain their nutrition from the soil, from the atmosphere, as well as from the insects. Is this